Shrivastava is her full name. And mine is Trisha Leda Shrivastava. Hi everyone, this is part 2 of my horse riding. Remember my horse name? Horsey, Michael Shrivastava. I'm going to be riding my beautiful horse. And my name is Trisha Shrivastava. This is my first horse video, and I'm excited to go all the way. You've seen me ride. That's part 3. The part 4, part 5, and the rest of the parts. Go, horsey.
Is it comfortable to ride this horse?
Yeah, so comfortable. Oh, I forgot to mention she's a girl.